we have understood what is regression analysis in a bivariate data and a method of least square. To just recap, the bivariate data, you have y is equal to mx plus c, which is a simple linear regression coefficient of a straight line. Okay, in a bivariate data, when x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, and that is represented also by y is equal to beta 0 plus b1 x1. It's the same. Okay, now that is about the bivariate data when we talk about two variables. Now what we will understand now is multivariate data are more than two variables, and under this what we will call as, we are going to call this as partial correlation and multiple correlation. So under these two, we will also understand the partial regression coefficients and multiple regression coefficient. So once we know about the partial regression coefficient and multiple regression coefficient, we will be able to appreciate if there are more than two variables, rather three variables and more, what are the independent variables and what is the dependent variable, how the dependent variable behaves with respect to the independent variable. We will understand by way of a simple graph, and then I will take it on to explain more about this. Under multiple correlation and multiple regression, the equation is y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x plus beta 2z, where beta 1 is the y-intercept and beta 1 is the partial regression coefficient, and also beta 2 is the another partial regression coefficient. In this case, what we consider is a three plane in which y, x and z, rather x is this plane axis and y is this axis and z is this axis. Now when you have this kind of information, the pictorial representation of a typical data I have shown here, I will first explain what is partial correlation in a multivariate data, and then I will take it on to the regression coefficient in a multivariate data or three variables, wherein two variables x and z are independent variable and y is the dependent variable. We will talk about x and y holding z at a particular value. So that is what I am going to explain in partial correlation, and followed by that we will understand what is multiple correlation and the multiple linear regression coefficient, which is represented by this equation. The typical or the multiple regression linear regression equation is y is equal to beta 0 plus b1 x1 plus b2z, which is something similar to y is equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2, where b1 b2 are the regression coefficient and b0 is the y-intercept. How we represent the partial correlation coefficient when three variables are there is that you consider this as x-axis and this as y-axis and this as z-axis. Then you consider this plane, which is the z-plane at a value z1. The partial correlation coefficient at this plane is given by r yx dot z1 in the z-plane. So in this case you can see that the data in which the green line is somewhat flatter. Okay, that means what? The behavior of the data when z1 is held at a particular level is this way. As the z variable data varies, you will get different partial correlation coefficient, and this you see that it is much more steeper. So at this level the partial correlation coefficient will be represented as z2. This is how you represent. What you do is that the partial correlation coefficient y on x at z held at a particular value called z1. So much so Ryx at z2. So you can clearly see as the z variable varies, you will find the correlation coefficient also varies. And when we assess this, and this is what called as partial correlation. In multiple correlation between three variables where x, y and z, y is the dependent variable on x as well as z, what we are doing is that we get different regression coefficient at different plane. As a matter of fact, if you see this equation, you can understand the B1 represents a regression coefficient for this plane and B2 represents the regression coefficient for this plane, and B0 is the y-intercept. So in multiple correlation and multiple regression, the multiple linear regression equation, please understand we are talking about linear regression, that is why there is no square in the variable. Okay, under these circumstances, when we talk about multiple correlation and multiple regression, we are considering the whole thing, right? Now that's the way you understand. See, the multiple regression and the regression coefficient of multivariate data, you have a complex situation and you are arriving how the y is varying when x and z are the independent data when they are moving. So as the independent data of x and z are considered in this entire three-dimensional figure, you are arriving y, or you are estimating y in context of both x and z that are varying. When x and z, which are independent variable, when they vary, how y varies, and that is what is multivariate data or multivariate regression analysis. So if you understand this, you can further extend yourself. If you have more than two independent variable or non-dependent variable, it becomes four-dimensional figure and becomes more and more complex. Thanks to the computers and also a lot of software packages, all you need to do is that model it, mathematically model it, and feed the data of independent variable and the various levels at which you wanted to assess. You will be in a position to get the variations for y. Rather, you can estimate y. So with this understanding, we will go and see a couple of examples that will give an idea about multivariate data and the regression coefficient of multivariate and multiple correlation coefficient.